Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07384811382, and today we have a 2013 Y61 Nissan Patrol ST Plus Limited Edition. Stock reference number 3935. This shape runs from the 10th month 2004 through to the 4th month 2017. It has a ZD30 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. ZD30 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the roof, front and the left hand side. It's fitted with a factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front has an average tyre. Left side step, sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Left rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. It's got an average bumper cover. Does have a few little scuffs here and there, still may be usable. Factory fitted tow bar, supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom, no neck. Spare wheel cover, chrome, ST Plus type. Right tail light, in good condition. Right rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right side step, supplied with all bolts and brackets as a pair. Right front, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. This vehicle's fitted with black leather interior, power window master switch, twin plug type, black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls. It's got an Eclipse sat nav, double din CD player, touchscreen, interior instrument cluster, chrome ring type. We have the right hand rear seat, 3rd row, headrest for a 3rd row, right hand side, left hand side, and a 2nd row right hand side headrest. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.